Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Baqarah. شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس وبينات من الهدى والفرقان فمن شهد منكم الشهر فليصم ومن كان مريضا أو على سفر فعدة من أيام أخر يريد الله بكم اليسر ولا يريد بكم العسر ولتكملوا العدة ولتكبروا الله على ما هداكم ولعلكم تشكرون. Translation: Ramadan is the month in which Quran was revealed, a guidance for the mankind and clear proofs of guidance and criteria of the right or wrong. And whoever of you is present to witness it, let him fast this month. And whoever of you is sick or on journey must complete fasting of same number on other days. Allah desires for you an ease. He does not intend to put hardship on you. And he wants that you should complete fasting of the period prescribed and that you should glorify the greatness of Allah for having guided you and that you may be thankful to him. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made the fasting of Ramadan obligatory or farz. In the previous ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had given one exception for those who could fast but they did not fast. And that exception was that they can feed the poor as a fidya or compensation. But in this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has taken that compensation away. So whoever is able to fast in the month of Ramadan must fast. However, the exception for those who were sick and who were traveling continues in this ayah as well. So in the month of Ramadan, if somebody is sick or traveling, he may not fast, but he has to fast in other days when he is not sick and when he is not traveling. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also mentioned the greatness of Ramadan in this month. The first is that we have to pray, and that one other greatness there, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed Quran in this month. And most of us know that Quran was revealed during the Laylatul Qadr, which is in Ramadan, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent the sent the Quran from Lahi Mahfuz, which is in the seventh heaven, seventh sky, to the first sky during the Laylatul Qadr. And then Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam brought small portions of Quran as per the orders of Allah. Quran is a book that distinguishes between right and wrong, truth and falsehood. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made mandatory, obligatory for all the Muslims who can fast that they must fast during this month. And as mentioned, those who are sick or traveling have the exception, but they have to complete the days in other months. And it should be done as soon as possible. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made the deen easy for the humans, and we know in this ayah Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made fasting easy by giving other options if they are sick or traveling. Similarly, we know that for salah, if somebody cannot salah standing, they can sit and pray, or they can lie down and pray. And similarly, the zakat and hajj are mandatory on those who can afford it. In the end, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, وَلِتُكَبِّرُوا اللَّهَ عَلَى مَا هَدَاكُمْ, meaning that we should glorify Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And it has been narrated that it is the takbirat of Eid, or saying Allahu Akbar after seeing the moon of the new month. वाखिर दावाना अनिल हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।